Hi everyone, my name is Voya and welcome to My Deep Guide. In today's video... Wait a minute, check this out. Well, that's better, I think. So yeah, improving the quality, improving the equipment, and it's all thanks to you guys and your support. Because you support it, I'm able to actually make the channel grow and increase the quality of the content. So thank you very much. Today is just a My Deep Guide related video. I wanted to do a test shoot with the new setup to iron the bugs out before important videos come by, and there's plenty of important ones coming, and that's one of the things that I wanted to mention in this video. Onyx Books has confirmed and Max Lumi is actually on the way. So I'm getting that, I think this week, later this week, or maybe early next week. And yeah, that's a review unit for me to check it out and then of course send back. But at least we're gonna have an opportunity to test things out and to bring you an in-depth review. Max Lumi? Check. We're gonna also get Note Air. Check. I've been in contact with Supernote. I'm gonna be getting a review unit of A6X as well. Check. And I've just a couple of days ago had a little meeting with the QuirkLogic guys, and they've agreed to actually send me a review unit of their Papier 13.3 e-ink tablet, which I'm really looking forward to because I kind of really am digging their platform a lot. So we're gonna get Max Lumi, Note Air, Supernote A6X, and QuirkLogic Papier. So I'm quite happy, and that's a lot of work to do. And there's also some backlog stuff that I need to go through, such as Kindle Paperwhite, Kobo H2O, and yeah, Poke 2 Color as well. So there's plenty of stuff to go through. And I think I'm gonna do the review of the new camera that you're actually seeing me through, because yeah, it's like an instant love at first sight. It's something that I've been looking forward to for many years. So lots of goodies are to come. That was news number one that I wanted to cover. News number two is My Deep Guide Patreon site is now up, and if you like what I do and you want to support it further, you can go there and check the subscription for the tier 1, where you will be getting monthly exclusive content for tier 1 supporters, and that's going to be behind the scenes type of footage of how the setup is made, or anything interesting that actually pops up during the review process of the units that I'm going to be working on. And it's going to be exclusive content for the Patreon platform and tier 1 users. That's not going to be available anywhere because yep, it's just, I think it's nice to actually give something back for the support that the patrons will give to me. It just makes sense. I want to give very special thanks to Ted, who is my first patron even from last week. Before I even announced anything, I think he just saw one of the links in the description videos and he became the very first patron supporter. So thank you very much, Ted. That was a huge boost and it was a very nice thing to actually see. If you're interested in becoming a Patreon supporter for My Deep Guide, yeah, just follow the link below or in the description. The platform is quite bare at the moment because I've just established it, but the content is going to be racking up and you can expect up to 2-3 maybe videos a month of the behind the scenes type of yeah, content. From now on, My Deep Guide is going to be a 4K platform, so videos are going to be in 4K format, and I think that's going to be a very beneficial thing for the platform overall and for you as the viewers to actually see the details in the nitty-gritty and all that kind of stuff. Additionally, some more equipment is coming up as well for video stuff, so I'm going to be able to do actually proper B-roll type of footage of presentation of the device, etc, something that I've been also looking forward to for many years. Goodies. If you like what I do, subscribe, ding dong a bell for notifications. Many cool videos are upcoming, and consider becoming a Patreon if you want to support my work further. If you choose to do so, I will be eternally grateful. Just to clarify any type of weird stuff, the how-to videos for the Remarkable 2, the Series 1, has been recorded in a one batch, and there's going to be plenty more of them of the older, lower quality that are going to be coming out. That's simply because the footage has already been recorded. Once those videos are all out, then I'm going to be shooting everything with the new setup and everything is going to be standardized. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for the support shown, and see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.